To succeed in the highly competitive food industry, you need an advantage. At AEW, we understand this, and we offer reliable, advanced technology to give you that advantage. APC, or Automatic Portion Control, is AEW's unique computer-based system that has revolutionized the portioning of hard-frozen, bone-in, or chilled boneless food products. Automatic Portion Control was developed by AEW in the 1980s in response to the food industry's demand for a machine capable of cutting natural loins and strips to constant weight portions. First used to control AEW's high-speed automatic portioning saw, this technology is now available with the APC slicer for chilled boneless product applications. At the heart of APC is a precise digital imaging system which allows the machine to see the shape of the portion it's about to cut. Using this information, APC automatically compensates for the changes in shape and cross-section of the product. Slice thickness is automatically adjusted to maintain portion weight, even though the cross-sectional size and shape of each portion may be different. Let's take a closer look at APC and how it can benefit your business. APC cuts constant weight portions, and thanks to advanced computer technology, it's very easy to use. The product to be portioned is loaded into the magazine of either the APC slicer or the APC saw. Then, using a 4-button graphic-assisted computer, the operator confirms the selected information and begins portioning to the pre-programmed specification. As the product passes over the APC's scanner, the face of the portion about to be cut is measured. This information is used by the computer to create a digital image which details the size and shape of the product. From this image, the computer is able to calculate the slice thickness necessary to produce a portion at the desired weight. The system adjusts the slice thickness to the computed value and the portion is cut. This ability to scan, adjust, and then slice is critical when the product to be cut has a non-uniform or varying cross-section. By analyzing the information supplied by the scanner, the computer is able to make the necessary adjustments within microseconds before the cut is made. Because adjustments are made in advance of cutting, this type of process is known as feed-forward control. When compared to traditional feedback methods, such as check-weigher-based systems, the advantages of feed-forward become clear. Feedback methods provide weight information after the cut has been made. Because adjustments are based on what has already occurred, they may not be appropriate for the next portion to be cut. To compensate for this, product is often regularized, that is, manually or mechanically altered to provide uniformity and thereby assist in cutting accuracy. Feed-forward control allows the product to be portioned accurately in its natural state. This reduces process time, waste, and product giveaway, and adds new levels of customer appeal at a reasonable production cost. The use of APC also results in a dramatic increase in accuracy over conventional cutting methods. Each slice is cut to its own calculated thickness in order to achieve true portion control. When you combine APC's feed-forward control with interactive feedback from an operator monitoring portions with a check weigher, an information loop is created that maintains portion weight within acceptable tolerances of 2 to 3% standard deviation. There are many other benefits provided by automatic portion control, such as simple maintenance and operation. This reduces training time and eliminates the need for highly skilled, highly paid operators, thereby maximizing productivity and reducing labor costs. All AEW slicers and saws are designed and built with operator safety in mind, helping to limit concerns of repetitive motion injuries common to many manual cutting operations. APC greatly decreases response time on customers' orders across a wider variety of products. And most importantly, APC produces clean, extremely accurate portions ready for packaging, increasing your profit margins and customer sales. The bottom line is that when accurate constant weight portions have to be cut from uniform or irregularly shaped food products, AEW's advanced automatic portioning control technology, with all its benefits, clearly gives you the APC competitive advantage. The newest member of AEW's product line to incorporate their innovative digital imaging technology is the APC Slicer. The APC Slicer slices irregular or uniform-shaped, chilled, boneless meat or fish products to constant weight portions through its unique ability to scan and adjust for each individual slice at incredibly high speeds. AEW designed, engineered, and built, the APC Slicer is constructed from hygienic, heavy-gauge stainless steel to meet and exceed the expectations and demands of the food industry. The APC Slicer was specifically created to slice boneless products, cooked or uncooked, into constant weight portions at speeds up to 180 slices per minute, depending on the product's shape and size. When slicing to constant thickness, speeds of up to 240 slices per minute can be achieved. This unique machine enables a single operator to produce between 1,000 and 1,500 pounds of weight-controlled portions in just 1 hour. There are no special programming techniques to learn. Clear color graphics and 4 rugged watertight push buttons are the only controls for APC's computer. Operation of the APC Slicer is extremely simple. The functions of the 4 push buttons change according to the next logical choice of operations to be performed. These functions are displayed by clear graphics on the video screen. Product to be sliced is loaded into vertical feed magazines, which rotate, carrying the product over the scanner and through the blade. Depending on the size of the product to be portioned, the APC Slicer can be fitted with feed magazines having 3, 4, 5, or 6 chambers. Once the chambers have been loaded, the operator confirms the pre-programmed information and starts the machine. In microseconds, the computer, using AEW's APC scanner, measures the surface area of the product, calculating and setting the slice thickness before every single cut. This means that every portion is individually assessed by the scanner and individually controlled by the computer for portion thickness and constant weight output, regardless of changes in the shape of the raw material. The product passes through a circular knife blade that's driven by a heavy-duty 1.5 horsepower motor. Changes in desired portion weight can be made automatically without interrupting the operation of the slicer. A food-grade conveyor is used to discharge the product ready for packaging. Because safety is always an important consideration, the APC Slicer has several built-in safety features. If a door is opened while the slicer is in operation, the machine will shut down immediately. Whenever the machine shuts down, the computer automatically displays a special screen indicating the reason for the stoppage. There's also an emergency shut-off button. The superior construction of the APC Slicer makes it easy to clean and maintain. Every part of the machine is easily accessible, allowing for quick, efficient servicing and decreased downtime. The APC Slicer features an in-place honing device to keep the blade razor sharp. And all compartments housing electrical and electronic equipment have doors with watertight seals. This allows the machine to withstand industry-standard cleaning practices. The APC Slicer improves productivity while enhancing yield, product integrity, and plant safety. Compare AEW's APC Slicer with other methods of manual and mechanical slicing, and you'll see that the APC Slicer will provide you with a clear advantage over your competition. AEW's advanced automatic portioning control technology, with all its benefits, also applies to the cutting of bone-in and hard frozen products with our high-speed automatic portioning sawing technology. Like the APC slicer, the food product is held in vertical feed magazines, which rotate around the blade at an astounding speed of 25 revolutions per minute. This enables a peak production rate of up to 150 constant weight portions per minute. When sawing to constant thickness, speeds of up to 180 portions per minute can be achieved. The APC saw enables a single operator to produce more than 1,100 pounds of weight-controlled portions in just 1 hour. The quality of the final product is superb. No smear, no curl, and no bone chips. Just perfectly cut, accurate constant weight portions ready to be packaged. And because the saw utilizes APC technology, it delivers precise digital portion control with just the touch of a button. The APC saw offers improved cutting yields, accuracy, hygiene, and operator safety, made possible by the highly advanced yet simple to operate technology of APC. At AEW, our corporate motto is commitment above all, and it's because of our commitment and dedication to the food processing industry that the name AEW is synonymous with quality, high-speed precision band saws. It's not surprising, then, that with over 40 years' experience in advancing this industry, that AEW has become the technological innovator and leader in automatic portioning control systems. AEW equipment can be found in quality food processing facilities worldwide. Because of AEW's total commitment to our customer satisfaction, we provide comprehensive sales, after-sales, spares, training, and maintenance service. In addition, AEW's combination of technical knowledge, experience, and manufacturing resources enable us to offer custom solutions for your portion control problems. Reduced waste and product giveaway, simple to operate, clean, accurate portions, increased productivity, reduced labor costs, increased safety, and improved customer service. Throughout this program, you've seen the benefits of AEW's automatic portioning control and its advantages over manual cutting methods. Now let's hear what some of our customers have to say about APC.
Brookfield Farms is a major meat processor in Chicago. We've been in business for approximately 26 years. We've been known for our high quality in corned beef, pork conversion, and portion control, specifically pork chops. After reviewing our purchase of the APC saw, there were several benefits that came to light. First, it gives us a more consistent product where we can offer our customers the specific size and weight that they've specified. In addition, with less product handling, it creates a much safer environment for our employees, and it allows us to expand in the markets that we currently excel in by meeting the market demand.
Calumet Diversified Meats is a pork processor located in Kenosha, Wisconsin. We're one of the leading pork chop cutting operations in the nation today. We've achieved that operation by having the most consistent quality items in the country. We were the first ones in the world to have the APC. We bought it to improve our productivity, to reduce labor costs, and to continue to have a safety program which would allow us to operate a more efficient and effective plant.
Kansas City Steak Company is a portion controller, and we do a lot of private labelers for larger manufacturers and distributors, and we also have our own mail order catalog. The biggest changes that we've seen since the introduction of the slicer is the amount of flexibility that we have in our production. We're now able to take on larger customers that demand quicker response time, where before we were cutting everything by hand, we weren't able to do that. One of the greatest things about the machine is that the quality of the product has not changed. You can't tell that it's machine cut. One of the things that was very important to us in going to that type of machine is we didn't want the product to look like cookie cutter form, because the products that we do are higher end, and a lot of the Angus and a lot of high choice products. And one of the things that we've been most impressed with is that you cannot tell from what has been hand cut to what has been cut on the AEW slicer.
AEW's automatic portion control slicer and saw provides solutions to portion control problems for all packers and processors, whatever their size. Fast reaction to your needs is a hallmark of AEW's total commitment to quality products and service. From basic saws to the advanced computer control technology of APC, AEW has reliable, proven cutting equipment which has the versatility to grow with your business. Total dedication to portion control technology for the food industry makes AEW the world leader for the latest in high-speed, high-yield portioning equipment. Contact AEW and find out how your company can benefit from the APC advantage.